The Related tab is where you can see which other records are related to this contact. The Lead section gives you a record of any inquiries made by this contact to your company as a purchaser or tenant. The Listing section is where you can see all the listings that this contact owns or owned in the past. The Owned and Co-owned Property section are only for the Developers CRM and show you if this contact is the current owner or co-owner of a property record. The Offers section shows you if this contact has made any offers on listings or received any offers on listings that they own. The Transaction section shows you if this contact has any transactions with your company, either as a buyer, seller, tenant, or landlord. The Files section allows you to upload, edit the name of, and delete files. It also serves as a database for all the documents that you want to save to this contact, like passport copies, proof of address, and any other related documents. The History section shows you the manual changes that have been made to fields so that you can track previous field data.